feel about being a member of the Information Society? That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the Information Society.
We are in Shunde, China, Guangzhou. Yep, we're in the park. Really cold today. 16 degrees. Huh? 9 degrees. Okay, apparently it's 9 degrees. It's really cold. We are gonna try to attempt to walk up there. Very high. A lot of steps. Dad, how do you feel about it?
Well, it's a piece of cake.
Piece of cake, alright. This is the history of the tower. It's been rebuilt, like refreshed, from a long time ago. Fun fact, I actually flew the drone up here, so here's how the footage looks with the drone on this tower. This place is very similar like to Chinatown in Singapore, where there's old houses that they convert into shops. So yeah, this is kind of interesting. Very interesting store. There are a lot of funny things like lights where you smack the light turn on, and a whole bunch of funny furniture. Interesting. Hi guys, today we're going to Wanda Plaza. Supposedly it's a very big plaza. It's right behind me, staying in the background right there. Don't know if the camera can capture it, but yeah, it's in the background. So Wanda Plaza, you can take a look at what's inside. So you may see what tech they have over there. Browse some clothes, you know, just normal touristy things they will do. It's a smartwatch with a camera. Interesting. Very interesting. Smartwatches with cameras. Well guys, we are at a sunflower garden. As you can see, it's a lot of man-made structures behind. So we're gonna look for the actual sunflowers, not man-made structures around behind. It's a bit of an interesting place. Supposedly I can fly the drone here. I saw a person outside of the place flying a Phantom 4. Maybe a Phantom 4 Pro, I can't really tell. But it looks very deserted. After looking around a bit, I think we found a place. Look at this, a bit less man-made structures around us. A lot more flowers, what do you think? Looks pretty good, I would say.